The DefibSafe 3 AED cabinet is a robust and reliable solution designed to securely house AEDs in various environments, ensuring they remain accessible and functional during emergencies. With an industry-leading IP66 rating, the DefibSafe 3 offers exceptional protection against dust, water and other environmental factors, making it a solution for indoor and outdoor installations. Constructed from impact-resistant polycarbonate, the cabinet is designed to withstand harsh weather conditions and resist corrosion. Its watertight seals and UV resistance coating further protect the AED from environmental damage. The cabinet features a temperature control system that maintains the AED at its optimal operating temperature. The heating function activates when the internal temperatures drop and the cooling mechanisms engage when temperature exceeds 30 degrees C, ensuring the device is always ready for use. Equipped with interior and exterior lighting, the DefibSafe 3 ensures high visibility even in low light conditions. The cabinet's design allows easy switching between locked and unlocked modes, providing flexibility in access control based on your particular requirements. A dynamic LED screen displays real-time information including ambient temperature and humidity levels and the cabinet's locking status. Additionally, the cabinet provides condition feedback through coloured lighting. Glowing green indicates readiness, while red signifies that the cabinet is open and the AED is in use. By protecting the AED from environmental hazards and maintaining appropriate storage conditions, the DefibSafe 3 helps extend the device's lifespan, ensuring it remains functional when needed most. The cabinet's design ensures that the AED is easily locatable and accessible during emergencies, with features like high visibility lighting and straightforward access mechanisms facilitating prompt response. The option to lock the cabinet provides security against unauthorized access or tampering while still allowing rapid deployment in critical situations. This balance supports compliance with safety regulations and organizational protocols. The real-time feedback and monitoring features allow for easy maintenance checks, ensuring that any issues with the AED or the cabinet are promptly identified and addressed. And finally, you can either have a generic backplate or a personalized backplate to your company or organization.